Fairy flying doll is not just a fairy tale anymore. It is real and actual. In this video, I am going to explain about two major things of this fairy doll. The first one is how to charge this doll. Here you can see the charging cord. Now I will show you how to charge this. We need electric connection, adapter, USB cable, and plug this in charging cord. Once you plug in, the red light will switch on. That means your toy start to charge. Keep it for around 15 to 20 minutes so it will be charged fully. Once this is charged, the light will turn off itself. Now your toy is ready to fly. The second major thing is how to fly this toy. But before that, I want to say you something. In this era, playing on the playgrounds or indoor games has been just a story. If you want to help your children and make them active, just give them this toy. It will help them out. This will reduce their screening time and help them to enjoy physically. Here you can see on and off button. Just we need to switch on the button and on. Now this toy is start to rotate. Now I will show you how to fly this. As you have seen in the video how this toy actually works. While flying this toy, you have seen the sensor of this toy helps to fly this above the hand level. You all have seen in the video this toy has been flying because of this sensor and the motor. The sensor sends the hand and fly above the palm. And see, this is the thing which helps your kid for hand and eye control. This helps to make your children active for physical work. If you want to know more about this toy, just comment us below.